You might be thinking that this guy is crazy, but let's take a look at the weekly market cap chart. First is this level, $750 trillion. This is very important. Next important level is around 900 trillion where the market is currently, and one can be over here, roughly $1.1 trillion. Now if I zoom in, Bitcoin has a certain behavior. Look at this area. It always tries to give large wicks before showing a pump. Over here, look at this, large wicks before giving a pump, large wicks again before giving a pump. So on the weekly, I am looking for large wicks. We only had one up till now. Maybe we can see another one taking us towards this level, which already has the 200 moving average, which generally is known as a very important metric. If price drops from here to the moving average, that will be roughly 25%. But you might be wondering, why am I talking about this? If I go back in history, look at this area. 2018 price bounced off the 200 moving average shown in red over here, and you can see 366% pump. Similarly, March 2020, you can see this huge pump, 2500% roughly. After that, we never saw a retest of the 200 moving average over here. Hence, I strongly believe that this might happen very soon. Also, if we come down to test this area, maybe we will see a bullish divergence forming on the RSI also. So with the combined effect of the moving average acting as support and a potential support area already present here, that is the time we might start seeing some pump first towards the 1 trillion mark and then back towards 1.38 trillion. Also, if you look at the weekly chart, this is just nothing but a simple head and shoulder pattern that had formed on Bitcoin. It came back up to test the neckline but failed and now is heading back down. So for the purpose of our analysis, I will just put another line at the 200 moving average at 700 trillion roughly, and now we will head over to the daily chart. One thing is very obvious on the daily chart. Look at the RSI, look at this. It tries to go below 20 before showing us any sort of a pump. Look at this, price went deep into the 20s and then we recovered from here. Similarly, RSI went down a lot into the 20s and then showed a bounce and recovered till here. Similarly, over here also big drop and then showed recovery. So this basically is the area I am waiting for before I enter any trade into the crypto market. And once again, you can see it is taking us to the same area, 750 to 700 trillion dollar market cap for the cryptocurrency before we see any pump. And as we saw before, this represents a 25% drop in the total market cap. A 25% drop in the market cap will take Bitcoin towards the 15,000 region, and that is what I have my eyes on. Let's quickly head over to the 4-hour chart. Once again, I see the same thing. RSI likes to go deep into the 20s before we see any pump in price. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Even over here, look at this. So this is something I would wait for, and a drop in RSI towards the 20s mean price will again try to go towards the 750 mark. So this is something we should keep an eye on. Let me know in the comment section below if you agree that Bitcoin will see another 25% drop or not. If you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can see how volatile the markets are. If you are actively trading into the markets, please don't forget proper risk management, take profit, stop loss, and good luck trading. Thank you.